City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I'm trying to turn these windshield wipers off. I'm like, why y'all going off? I thought you was on auto. I need to go to my P.O. box because I just know there's something in there, and it's been a minute since I went, so I need to go ahead and do that. I need to get a wax. Am I about to do that? I don't think so. But today is going to be a maintenance day for us, y'all, so I really need to make it back home. I'm gonna wax my underarms, I'm gonna do my nails, I need to do my hair. I think I'm just gonna take these braids out and then put some rods in them today. Probably give myself a facial. I feel a little fuzz, a little lip fuzz coming up. I'm probably gonna give myself a little facial tonight, a little self-care day, but mostly it's just a maintenance day because I can't wear this scarf forever. Unfortunately, they already talking about the girls with the bonnets, honey. They gonna come for the girls with the scarves too. They gonna come for us, okay? I need to go get some water. Y'all, Sky was so ready to get in the car. I was like, girl, wait, I'm trying to film, okay? We doing Vlogmas. Do you want treats or nah? Okay? Cause you show looking at me like you got a problem, sis. Like, is there a problem? Do you want like good treats or not? I'll give y'all some Sky Cam until I go get the other battery, okay? Were you on your best behavior? Say yes, smile. Alright, let's go. Made it to the post office and I got 3 packages. Well, wait, let me check these. Make sure I don't have a package that I gotta go to the front and do, because I hate having to go and stand in that line. Just not gonna do it. Okay, alright. Don't look like it. My first package is from Curl Days. I love her products. I've talked about her products before. I need something to open it. I like to open all my stuff, my post office stuff, like before I even get home. I can't wait. I'd be like in the CI right now. There's a glossy shine gel in here. I love a good gel. Then it got the creamy curl styler. Ultra moisture cream. There's that. This is a deep conditioning mask. Okay, I've never tried her mask. I didn't even know she had a mask, so I'm excited to try her stuff out. In my next wash day, we're gonna use these. Okay. The next package I got is from Culture Me. I remember because I had a hat from them. It looks like they sent me a sweatshirt. Are these shorts too? A sweat shorts. Oh, no, this lettering looks good. Okay, hold on. I gotta show y'all. Oh no, this is cute. Y'all see the lettering on here? That looks really nice. Thank you for sending this. I'm gonna try it on when we get home, friend. I'm gonna have to try the outfit on, friend. And this is the last package that I got. It's just like a big envelope. I'm excited and interested to see what this is. This is from Hair First Beauty. Thank you guys for sending this. I don't know what's in it. I don't know. I don't have a guess. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ooh. What? This is a big old pig. Is that a pig? What? This is so cute. Oh, it's a girl's face. I didn't even see that. Oh my gosh. A ginormous afro comb. No, this is cool. Thank you guys. This is super cute. It says we're in love with your social media pages. Your videos are informative and a breath of fresh air. We can't wait to introduce you to our newest release, Ginormous Afro Comb. It was made with your luxurious hair in mind. Bigger and better Afro Comb for your fro. We hope you enjoy. Lots of love. Hair First Beauty Team. Okay, thank you guys. What is this? Oh, they got like derma rollers. I'm like, what is this stuff? All right, this is kind of cool. Like, can I hang it up on a wall though? Like, can this be decor? Or this is actually supposed to be usable? I don't know. But that is fun. Thank you guys. That is super sweet. Okay, this is it. I like it. I like it. I think it fits really well. I like how the shorts fit. They feel so good. Boop, boop. Let's see. Let's see what happens if I tie this up a little. Oh, okay. Yeah. Give it that little scrunch look. Yeah, nah. I feel like this is quality, but I really like the stitching and the detail. This makes it look so much like quality. Instead of all that screen printing and all that stuff just gets a little messed up, but this feels good. Thank you guys. Let me put it on with the hat. I gotta put it on with the hat. This is perfect with my hair. It looks just like they done set me up with the whole fit, y'all. Now that I got the whole fit. Now that I got the whole fit. Now that I got the whole. This is cute. Thank y'all. This is just so cute. Y'all know I'm gonna take this on my next trip. Y'all already know. Absolutely.
All my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ike's place while we roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoney, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
This would have been so cute if I had rollers on the end. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just not so cute because these ends look so raggedy. So raggedy. Nah, but it's so cute. It's cute. I'm trying to think though. I'm gonna loosely do this. I don't want the curl pattern to completely change because I like the wave. The wave is cute. The wave is cute. So I'm thinking I could add these, but just loosely at the bottoms. Don't really go to the root. I don't know. Y'all can't tell me, but I know y'all probably like, oh, it's cute. It's cute. I like this. I just wish I would have put my ends in like rollers, but then I couldn't have worn my wig. So of course that's not gonna work. But we do need to do some braid outs because this looks good. This looks really good. Look how that's just so nice and wavy. Dang it, I don't want to do my hair now. I'm like, oh, it's kind of cute. But we're going dating. We're doing the speed dating tomorrow. So, want to look my best. Let me part my hair off and get some clips, and then I'll get started. I'll come back when I figure it out because I have no idea what I'm about to do. All right, I got my clips. I think we're gonna do the rods. And I might just do 3 rods on each side. And I think I'm gonna also just put foam on the ends, not necessarily the hair, only the ends, and then put the rods on. Cause I like the fluffiness and how, like, it looks good. The ends are just, I'm just gonna comb out the ends. Okay, we're gonna do like 1 good pump on the ends. I might need 1 more pump, but you start off with 1 and just saturate the ends, brush it through. And I'm trying to make sure all of it's going back, so I'm making sure that I roll it backwards, like away from my face first. and really secure that end, and then just roll up. No product is on this part, it's just a roller. Bend the top and the bottom if you want. You don't have to bend the bottom up if you don't want to, but I just do it. And then one more.
Hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion in its mind.
Done. I don't know what I was going for. I guess I was just going for like a white milky, you can't see it but you can see it, like you got to get close to see it but you see it from far away. I don't know. I was just trying out some designs, but I'm hungry. It is like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm making ramen. I'm not gonna make it how I made it the other day. I'm just gonna use the regular pack because I just want to taste the carbonara, but I did put some bouillon in the water. I just want a nice broth to boil it in, so just a little bouillon because I ain't got no broth. So yeah, my hair is done, my nails done. I didn't get to wax. I'll do that tomorrow. We'll do a facial in the morning because look at this mustache. Wait, you see it? You see her. She's a little hairy. A little hairy. Ain't nothing wrong with a little hair, but yeah, I'm tired, y'all. I'm just glad I finished my nails and my hair so I can look pretty decent tomorrow, and I ain't gotta worry about trying to put no wig on because I don't feel like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas day 12, I think. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.